Hello and welcome to Morpholio Trace. In this video, we'll learn how to export your trace drawings as vector files that can be opened in any CAD software. This opens an incredible new range of possibilities. Let's check out how it works. Before you begin, make sure that you have the most recent update for Morpholio Trace in the App Store. Be sure to tap on the app page, and if you see an update or a cloud button, tap that to make sure that you have the most recent update with vector export. From here, the first step is to create an incredible drawing. This can be a plan, section, elevation, or any other sketch. Next, simply hit the export button on the top right, and then select vector for your file type. If you try to do this on a file made in an older version of Trace, you'll get a warning sign like this, letting you know that you can only get vector export with drawings that were created in the latest version. So again, be sure that you have the most recent update to get vector export. If you are on a new project, you can hit continue, and now you'll see a preview of your vector line work. You'll notice that all the lines that you drew in Trace are automatically converted into vector lines. Artistic brushes though, like the watercolor brush and others, won't export at this time. You can hit the export button again on the top right, and now you can share this vector DXF file with your favorite CAD software, including AutoCAD, Vectorworks, SketchUp, Archicad, Rhino, Revit, Illustrator, or any other design software that works with vector lines. As you can see here, I've opened up my DXF file in Vectorworks. The layers are automatically set up and ready to go, and now I can continue working on this drawing here or extrude it into a 3D model. Another really cool way of working with vector export in Morpholio Trace is that you can convert any hand drawing like this into a block. All you have to do, again, is hit the export button, select vector, tap continue, you'll get a preview of your drawing here, and then you can export it into your favorite software. In this case, I've already imported this DXF file into SketchUp. You can see how it gives a really beautiful personalized hand-drawn touch to this 3D model. A really cool effect and super easy to do. And that's it. I hope you've really enjoyed learning about how you can transform your design process with vector export in Morpholio Trace. This opens up a whole new range of possibilities, including being able to export your hand-drawn plans and sections into any CAD software, creating 3D models from your sketches, transforming your hand drawings into blocks, or even translating your hand drawings into real material by using your trace drawings as laser cut files. We can't wait to see what you make with this amazing new feature, so when you share your work, be sure to tag Morpholio so we can find it and feature it. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other how-to videos.